Hose don't know. Hose don't knows. I'm gonna open it and pigeons are gonna fly out. Hi guys. Today's video is gonna be a fun one because I'm gonna paint some stuff. If you guys missed the last video I did on Project TeeTer ToT, I tore apart the front half of the engine, redoing the intake manifold and fuel injector seals and a bunch of vacuum lines and all kinds of other stuff. And there's a link up to that video if you guys haven't seen that video yet. So to do the finish on this and the charge pipe, a lot of suggestions in that last video about what color to do it, and a lot of people suggest that I should do it the same color as the big brake kit on the car, and I agree. I think that would probably look really good. Come off of here. It's actually not as dirty as I thought it would be. Off of there. You can get a good look at a T-bone by sticking your head up a butcher's.
Wow.
But I'd rather take the bull's word for it. These injector cups look pretty good. I decided to do it black, like my heart. I don't know, I just think this will look stealth and kind of murdered out looking. I know the Tiffany blue looked pretty, but I want it really clean and subtle under the hood. And maybe eventually I'll do like a few little tiny Tiffany blue accents under there. I just spent 35 minutes taping off the intake manifold, but it's ready to paint. So I'm gonna clean it up with some wax and grease remover and start spraying. So here I am, just sitting at the end of my garage, watching paint dry. It's drying right now. I did almost 4 coats. I guess you count 4 coats. The first coat was really light, and it looks like it's gonna turn out pretty good. It has a wrinkle texture to it on its own, just because of the texture of the aluminum. It's starting to get dark out, so I'm gonna hurry up and paint, and we'll continue in the morning. Morning peeps, the stuff should all be dry now, and it's time to reassemble the engine. Like that roll of my R. Last night off camera, I also cleaned up my throttle body. I didn't go crazy, I just got it clean and functional. I didn't polish it up or anything. I don't really have anything to polish it with. So it's clean. It's nothing too over the top. It's just clean and subtle. That's what I'm going for. I got my new gasket from Alti. That goes right there. In case you're wondering, the hardware for the throttle body gets torqued to approximately 10 Newton meters, which is a small package of fig Newtons, to be precise. This intake temp sensor is looking a little suspicious, so I ordered another one. It'll be here Sunday. I'll just swap that guy out. It's really easy to change. This, all this hardware up here, the 5 mils, they all get torqued to the same torque spec. Just in case you were wondering. Here we go. Ta-ta-da! I found the hose clamps that came with the kit from 034 Motorsports on Amazon. A whole kit of them. The YDS ones. I really like these. It's really pathetic that I'm excited right now over hose clamps. have to replace these fuel lines. That is, it's not safe and it just looks like crap. So I'm going to try to replicate this. This guy right here, it's only focusing on my face, isn't it? Doing right, I ordered a new DSLR camera thanks to my Patreon supporters. This Canon EOS 70D is going bye-bye. It served its purpose, but now my audio jack don't work and the autofocus is kind of starting to act weird. Yeah, I'm gonna rebuild these fuel lines. I take that back. I'm gonna install the intake manifold now because I don't know where to cut the fuel lines and I can't figure that out without the intake manifold in there. So, yay, I'm so excited. This thing looks good. New gasket. It's day number 3. Those are adorable. All right, I have new O-rings for my injectors as well as these little fuel injector clips. I'm going to replace those, and then once this is mounted up, I'll be able to route my new fuel line. That way I can judge the distance of where to cut my new fuel line. The only thing I'm really being careful for is making sure I don't touch the tips of the injectors or get anything down in there, because the orifice, that's a hard word to say. The holes are really small and they'll clog easy. Ooh, rotato potato. Nice and soft and squishy. And I'm going to lube it, because you can never have enough lube. And lube the O-ring up with a little bit of engine oil, just so it doesn't chafe going over this little lip right here and tear. Squish it on there, like so. And wipe the rest of that oil around there. Just keep it nice and lubed. It's a good looking rack. Injector rack. Hose. Hose don't know. Hose don't knows. That's not funny. All right, supply and return lines. Put these things on. The way you can distinguish which one is your supplier, which one is your return, is because of the color coding. One's blue and one's black. That one goes right there on top. And I got the little chafe guard. I'm gonna go ahead and put that guy on there right now so I can get it trimmed. I'm gonna mock up my charge pipe just so I can kind of see where I want to route these fuel lines. Yeah, okay. Fuel line on, tight. Coolant line is on. Boom! And it's done. Once I get the rest of the engine plastic cover pieces that I'm missing, like the one over the coolant area and below the intake manifold and over the battery and then over the radiator area, then everything will be all black and kind of stealth looking under the hood. It'll look really good. I need to get some hardware though, because this, I have nothing that holds this on. I'm just gonna prime the fuel system first before I go to try to start it, just to be safe. There, that should be enough fuel primed up there. Looks good over here, it's dry. Yeah? What about around the injectors? Yep. Heck yeah, dude. It worked. Doesn't look like there's any fuel leaks. I had Sarah look along where the injectors are, the feed, the return, and then up there where it is near the firewall, and I didn't see any leaks, so that's good. Now I just got that exhaust leak up by the manifold I gotta take care of, and this bad chicken should be able to rip. Hello, it is mealtime with Sarah. That was weird. Alright, we're gonna go small packages to big packages. And I'm gonna go fast through these because there's a lot of packages. So I'm going fast for a reason. This first package is from Wilson. Oh, cool. Wilson from Utah sent me this anti-theft travel bag, which I would imagine is going to be for camera equipment when I'm filming on the go. So thank you. This is dope. This next package is from Charles. This is cute. It's a good nighttime shirt, sleeping. It's really big, or I'll tie it around my waist. Connect and cut. Chapman. This is super cute. It's pink. It's a pink bit driver set. Oh, this is so cute. Thank you. Arto Parto. Beats, I think I know what this is. If I'm correct, I believe these are the pigtails I need for the fog lights on the MR2 so I can wire them like OE with the correct Toyota pigtails. If they are, whoever sent these, you're awesome. Thank you so much. Benavides. Alright, there's two of everything in here. I'm guessing it's because of small Sarah. Just FYI, I saw that I have quite a few birthday cards. Thank you. And quite a few letters too. But for video purposes, just for editing and the fact it's probably going to take me 2 hours to read all this stuff, it'd be way too time consuming. The video would be like 3 hours long. I don't have a New Mexico plate yet. Well, now I do. Thank you. Clip. Jonathan from Florida sent me a JDM solder sucker. You know it's good because it'll suck JDM solder. Thank you. That is cute. Aw, this one says happy birthday, Sarah, from Mitchell. I'm gonna open it and pigeons are gonna fly out. Ooh, they're magnetic wristbands that you wrap around your arm for when you're working on stuff. You can like stick a wrench to your arm and then you'll have it right there with you. This is so smart. Thank you. Amazon. Thank you, Amazon. Ooh, whoever sent this, thank you. It's a gas soldering iron. It's a complete thing. Has a little sponge, the tips. Thank you so much. I can't wait to try this out. Ooh, this, I was talking to them on Instagram, Ulsa Tools. It's aluminum socket organizers. These are really pretty too. It's like this plum cherry kind of anodized finish. Because I have a small toolbox, so they sent me these so I can organize my sockets better. Shout out to their Instagram below on the screen for sending these out. These are really nice, so thank you. This one is from JT in Fort Wayne, Indiana. That's my country accent. Fort Wayne, Indiana. Shoot dang. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh. It's a lab coat. Oh my god, I'm so amped to wear these shirts. Thank you so much, JT, for the t-shirts, and I'm gonna give small Sarah hers in a little bit.
I just want to thank you guys so much for everything. I'm so excited, and I wish I could show it all now, but I actually really have to go get going, so thank you!
Next package is a big one. No! No! No way! If you guys didn't know, the driver's side seat in Forester Gump developed a rip on the left side bolstering, like where you get in and out of the car. So Dave sent me a replacement cushion from Subaru. Thank you so much. I'm shook. What is this? I now have a life-size cardboard cutout of Mr. Bean. Thank you. Thank you for the hoodie, Lawrence. This was really sweet. Oh, thank you, Mr. Bill. He sent a miniature polisher. So it's got these little 3-inch round pads, and it's good for doing like A-pillars or really fine areas when you're detailing. Thank you so much. Well, that's the end of nail time and the end of the video, and that is just creeping me the hell out right now. I can't wait to go stick that in Sarah's bedroom. She's gonna freak the hell out when she gets home tonight. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and the next one you'll see on the TT, I'll be taking care of the turbo stuff. And yeah, but I think I'm gonna work on the rally car next. Bye.